Hello everyone, hi. In this video today, I would be dealing with a rather odd topic. So as you must have seen in the thumbnail, this is another how-to video. So I hope this would be quick. But some people have asked me a question that how to withdraw the application. So before addressing that, let me just tell you the scenarios in which you may want to withdraw. So many people might say you're out of your mind, why are you withdrawing the application? But there are certain scenarios where withdrawing the application is not only required, it is recommended also. So what happens is, if you look into the Aaip streams, any of the Aaip streams, and go, like if you click any of the Aaip streams, so each Aaip stream will have a section which is called how to apply. Okay. And if you go to how to apply, you would see that there is a section on there is a section where it specifically says that you can have only one application for an Alberta PNP. So say you are an employee looking for a PNP and you have applied under one of the streams. Like for example, you have already applied under EOS. Now your situation changed and you think you are becoming eligible for the tourism and hospitality stream. Again, a totally hypothetical scenario. So in that case, you may not apply for another stream if you already have an application which is pending in one stream. So you will have to withdraw your application from the earlier stream. So like I said, any of the streams apply. The first check is you may have only one application pending. So this is tourism and hospitality, similar for Alberta opportunity stream. It also mentions express entry stream also have the same condition. Rural renewal stream has the same condition. So since this is the process, this is kind of very important for most people who want to change their mind or think that any other stream might give them more benefits. Withdrawal is an option which is provided by Aaip. Now, if you have, and most of the streams you have to apply online, the application process and the withdrawal process is both online. So how to withdraw an application? So basically you would log into your immigration portal, and once you log into your immigration portal, this is just a demonstration purpose. So once you log into your immigration portal, you would have a section called create a new request. I don't have an application pending to withdraw, but if you have it, you would see basically the application number here, and then the current status. You would select that application and just click a withdraw button. So that is what it says in most of the guidance. So it's very easy. If you have applied online, you have access to your online account. You would just go here. You would just I'll show again. So from the home screen, the landing page, there are three. You must have used create new application for creation of an application, and in a similar way you can withdraw your application by creating a new request. Okay. In a very rare case, if you have applied through paper, you will have to contact via email to the Aaip. But in most of the cases, I would say close to 99%, you would have submitted your application online, and you can withdraw your application online also. Okay, so this is it. Again, as I said, this would be a quick video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.